Hi there, I'm John Bond from Riverwinds Consulting, and this is Publishing Defined. Today I'm going to talk about Google Scholar. Google Scholar is a search engine that indexes scholarly literature across many disciplines and formats. Google Scholar was launched in 2004. It includes peer-reviewed academic journal articles, books and monographs, conference papers, theses and dissertations, preprints, abstracts, technical reports, and other formats. It reportedly contains the full text or metadata of over 160 million documents as of 2014. Some of the features of Google Scholar include a citation importing feature for supporting bibliography managers, being able to save search results, being able to view an impact factor of some journals, the ability to search for digital or physical copies of articles, whether online or in libraries, and linking to the availability of the cited content. In 2012, Google Scholar created Scholar Citations Profiles, or author profiles that are editable by the authors themselves and that link to their indexed work. Google Scholar separately includes a legal database of U.S. cases, which inserts Westlaw and LexisNexis style page numbers in line with the text of the case. Google Scholar also has its detractors. The topics of concern are lack of screening for quality and including predatory open access material, listing content in incorrect disciplines, vulnerability to spam, an incomplete listing of all major scholarly publications, and more. Most recently, people have been observing major publishers and databases performing academic search engine optimization as a way to optimize placement in such places as Google Scholar. This brings a host of other potentially negative issues to the front. Nonetheless, Google Scholar will continue to grow in importance with users, and there are concerns that it will replace, in the minds of many, other more scholarly options. Well, that's it. I'm a publishing consultant and work with associations, publishers, and individuals on a host of content-related issues. Reach out to me at riverwindsconsulting.com with your questions. Hit the like button below if you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel or click on this playlist to see more videos about scholarly publishing, and make comments below or email me with any questions. Thanks so much and take care.